In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TinyTask on mobile and what to do if you can't find it, so just follow along. Now, if you open the Play Store on your phone and search for TinyTask, you'll notice there are no official results for TinyTask on mobile, so you'll only see other clicker or macro apps. Now, this is important to understand. TinyTask is a Windows-only program, so it cannot be downloaded or installed directly on Android or iPhone. Now, because of that, what you want to do instead is use a TinyTask alternative for mobile. Now, from the Play Store, search for an app called MacroDroid or AutoClicker/Macro Recorder, and these apps work as mobile macro tools similar to TinyTask. Now, once you find one, just tap Install and wait for it to download. Now, after installation, open the app, and when it asks for permissions, just tap Allow so it can work properly. Now, you may be asked to enable overlay permissions or accessibility permissions, so just follow the on-screen steps and turn those options on. Now, once everything is enabled, you can start recording actions, taps, and gestures, just like TinyTask, but on your phone. Now, if you specifically need TinyTask itself, the only way to use it is on a Windows PC, not on mobile. And that's it. That's how TinyTask works on mobile and what you should use instead. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.